Some dreams are big. Some dreams are small. Some dream to go from place to place. Dreams of love and ever after. Dreams and sacrifices that builds the future. Whatever the dream or step or journey, you can do more with a partner that cares about your dreams. Access, more than banking.
Hello, good evening and welcome once again to another exciting moment on television. Incidentally, you might also be hearing us on radio because what we do is to capture the voice of this presentation and use on the radio. So on whatever platform, whether on YouTube, whether on Facebook, whatever platform, whether on Instagram, you are getting to watch or listen, I want to say you are welcome to this presentation. Is such an explosive one, maybe far more explosive than the ones we've done earlier, right? And the reason is not far-fetched. We will take time as usual to analyze latest events at the market arena. In the course of last week, 4 banks reported their second quarter earnings to the market. We are going to be taking time to analyze these results with the intent of presenting to you the clarity, simplicity, for you to be able to take precise decisions whether to buy, hold, or sell, because these are the decisions you will be taking in the market at any point in time. That is, it is either you are making up the decision to sell, the decision to buy, or the decision to hold. One of these, we are not the one to tell you whether to buy or sell, but you have to decide on what to do based on the way and manner we will have taken the time to simplify those results. Like I've always said, information on the Nigerian equity market is extremely scarce. They come, they tell you this company has released this report, they tell you the turnover, that is the top line, they tell you the profit after tax, that is the bottom line, and they tell you the percentage growth. They come to tell you what the all-share index of the Nigerian Stock Exchange is doing, they tell you about the deals, they tell you about the volume and value, but these are just information for the sake of releasing one information or the other to you. You need someone that will sit you down and tell you that these deals you are seeing, this is what it means, and this is what it pertains for the market and for your investment. Somebody that will tell you, going beyond the profit after tax, telling you what the earnings are, telling you other basic ratios, and telling you also what this pertained for your investment. This is what we are noted for. That is why our name is Stockswatch. We've done it by December of this year, 21 years. All right. So please, you will do me a favor. Call a friend, call a family member, call a colleague, call a church member, call a mosque member, call a prayer partner. Let them tune in to this platform as we speak. All right. In the course of last week, one of those equities that are listed on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange also got delisted. So sad. We are going to be bidding them permanent bye-bye. We don't want to see them again, but we are going to also be discussing one thing or the other about them. So I will go on a short break now. I will be right back. Please don't change this TV channel.
Chapel of Impactation presents Emerging a Leader and Financial Giant in the New Age. We will be having 4 keynote speakers. ADEDEJI, Finance and Management Consultant. Topic: How to develop a professional you. Olumide Adeleye, a Nigerian social entrepreneur. Topic: Guides to acquiring competitive skills. ADEOLU AKINYEMI, business leader, serial entrepreneur. Topic: Becoming an under 30 CEO. VINCENT, ARIFALO, medical doctor. Topic: How to discover purpose early in life. Date is Saturday, 25th September 2021. Time 11 a.m. prompt. Venue 95
Ibaja, Agege Road.
By Shofunde Bus Stop, Agege. For enquiries, contact Wale on 0816-131-8569. Bolaji on 0903-234-2440. Don't miss this lifetime opportunity. Be there.
Join me in welcoming first Malam Garba Kurfi. Malam Garba Kurfi is the Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer of APT Securities and Funds Limited, member of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Malam, you are welcome.
You're welcome.
And also our friend Aruna Kebira. Aruna Kebira is the Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer of Global View Capital Limited, also a member of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Aruna, you are welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Now let me take off from your end. Aruna, in the course of last week, it was reported AXA Mansard to commence share reconstruction. According to the information as we speak now, shareholders' approval has been secured, Securities and NICOM approval, because Securities and Exchange Commission for the capital market and NICOM for the insurance as regulator of insurance companies. Now, the approval for SEC and NICOM are being sought as we speak. The nominal value is to move from 50 kobo to 2 naira. We're going to be looking at the Aruna. Explain to us briefly what is share reconstruction. We have said that again. We are repeating it, not for lack of what to say, but for you to have clearer and better understanding. And in case you are joining us for this kind of discussion for the first time, you get to know and understand what share reconstruction is all about. To you, Aruna.
Yeah, what share reconstruction means, we stand by say that when the outstanding share of a company is a little bit overloaded, it's bogus, it will trickle down to reduce their earning per share. Even when you want to pay dividend, it's actually payable from the earning per share. And earning per share is profit after tax divided by the outstanding unit. A company might believe that shrinking that we enhance their earning per share going forward. What they do is to reduce the number of outstanding share in a particular ratio. Like this one we are talking about now, which means that it is 1 to 4. That is one ordinary share that we are going to be giving for 4 you have
if I was holding maybe like 100 before,
yeah,
I will now be holding.
That is divided by 4.
Which
like,
is
like 25%. What they are saying that they are going to destroy about 75% of the current outstanding of this company. And you discover that that will dovetail to the extent that by the time you now divide their current profit after tax divided by the number of shares in issue now, it will be the earning per share will not be better off.
Malam, I come to you. Let us discuss the issue of nominal value. You said the nominal value is going to move from 50 kobo to 2 naira. Incidentally, I couldn't have asked Aruna because Aruna is an economist, you are a chartered accountant.
The nominal value will remain 50 kobo. What is going to happen is natural. When you reconstruct, you are going to, for every 50 kobo, 4 will now be reflected by 50 kobo 1. So the remaining 1 naira 50 kobo will be added to premium. So what it is, the shareholders' fund will not change, but the market value will change. What do you mean by premium
in the case of those who are with
you? See, in the shareholder structure, we have what we call premium. 50 kobo ordinary share can come to the market at 10 naira. What does that mean? 50 kobo will be reflected in the book as 50 kobo. 9 naira 50 kobo will be added to share premium. And share premium can be only be redistributed as a bonus to the shareholders, or they can seek permission of the regulator to use it to write up accumulated loss, if any. In this case, they don't have any accumulated loss. So what it means, the shareholders' fund will remain the same because the 2 naira now will be reflected as 50 kobo, the 1 naira 50 kobo will be added to premium. But the market value will change. There is nothing going to be destroyed. What is going to happen is that as it is trading 83 kobo, today 83 kobo times 4, it will give you 3 naira plus, and that will be the market value will be listed. They do this because we anticipated this. By the time the AXA Mansard declare bonuses, they give 6 for every 7. So when they give 6 for every 7, and now they come back with this reconstruction, we know this is where it's going to end it. Because what is likely going to happen that their shareholders now is 36 billion. So whatever their earnings, they will be lower. By the time now they reduce 4 into 1, their earning will be times 4. Let's say the 8 kobo is the earning per share for half year. Now times 4, it will be 36 kobo. And therefore you have more enough to pay for the dividend. And the value has now moved to 3 naira plus. And if
because the price here, as I can see, is 83 kobo.
Yes.
So we now multiply by 4.
Well, by 4. And that will give you about 3 naira 62 kobo, thereabout. So what we are saying that it's a good thing. This is not a new thing to this market. We have seen reconstruction happen in this market. Stambik did the reconstruction. Since the time Stambik did the reconstruction, their price never come down.
Stambik did share buyback.
No, apart from, they did so many things, but they did reconstruction. And the reconstruction, that what reduced their holding to about 12 billion. They also give you a dividend and convert it into share by choice. So, but the most important that they reduce their exposure to 12 billion by share reconstruction. Now, AXA Mansard that have about 36 billion issued share of 50 kobo ordinary share will be reduced to 9 billion.
Malam, let me ask you one question. What in the case of was this other company that did share reconstruction, the price went up, and then this leasing company, C&I Leasing. So what are we seeing today? They did share reconstruction. Your unit of shares eventually declined. The price went up initially. Now the price is down.
Share reconstruction is not enough to lift you up. It has to follow its performance. Stambik follow its performance, and this is where they are today. Cadbury did share reconstruction to around 18 naira. Today Cadbury is trading around 8 naira because their performance did not support it. If you look at it, Unity Bank did reconstruction. Every 10 Unity Bank was reduced to 1. From 50 kobo ordinary share to 5 naira. What is it trading now? It's trading less than 60 kobo.
From this that you have said,
so
Malam,
what we are saying that it's not enough to go with reconstruction. You must follow its performance. Reconstruction without performance is dead on arrival.
Now we have said, if you are watching or listening, apparently you know what share reconstruction is about now. Aruna, what should be the best advice you will be giving to those who are watching? With this share reconstruction, should I sell? Should I buy more? Should I hold on?
If it is possible, I would have asked those that are already in position to sell. If the stock, I think it has gone on suspension, but if you are interested in taking position in AXA Mansard, I would have asked those that want to take position to wait and see the direction after it is listed back.
Malam, I'm queuing behind Aruna. When you get to hear about share reconstruction, the best is to get out of that equity.
No, it depends. If the
Malam, there is no depends because the future of every company is an unknown.
Look,
there is no way you will tell me that AXA Mansard is going to perform better than they are doing now. Because what you are saying is that share reconstruction is not going to bring additional money to them. Now, if at the end, let us assume that their earning per share now is 50 kobo. That earning per share will now increase maybe to 2 naira. And their price, which is now probably will now go up.
Kobo.
At the end of the day, what are you getting? Now you see, when your price goes up, there is every possibility that more people will even seize the opportunity to sell.
But don't forget
Where is
that
it?
this is the company that has 36 billion issued share capital, now reduced to 9 billion.
Malam,
the
what
quantum
were
will
they
be
doing
reduced.
when they were increasing the outstanding number of shares? Were they sleeping? Were they closing their
The
eyes?
quantity now is reduced to 9 billion.
Why must they
So
reduce
there is
it?
less
Were they
to
not the
play
same?
in the market.
Were they, see, these are the things we talk about this market that keeps people confused. They intentionally increase it. They are coming back at the backyard again to reduce it. When they were increasing it, they apparently were selling their shares to the public, collecting money. You collected my money at a certain price. You use it to develop your company. Now you are coming to reduce it. Malam, let us say the truth.
Look, let me tell you, we all know it. It's very common knowledge. If today I slaughter a chicken, I have one wife and 4 children, everybody will get a portion. If I slaughter a chicken, I have 4 wives with 36 children. Can somebody get a part?
Malam,
No,
Malam,
the quantity has been
who helped you
reduced.
to impregnate your wife to have? Okay, now, do you know what they are doing? They want to kill the 36 children. That is indirectly
It's
what they are
not
trying
their-
to do.
their
Can I say
quantity-
something?
It has
You
been
can't.
reduced
What
to
we should
9
see there, what we should see there,
billion.
whether you
And
have
because
4
it is
wives
9
and
billion,
36 children
my
or
advice
1
to
wife
the
and 4
investors,
children.
please hold on for the third quarter result, because the earning per share will tremendously change. And
The price will
dividend
tremendously
policy will
change, so
but
The,
what
the
we are
size of
saying
the
that
chicken has not
the
changed.
quantity
Has not
been
changed.
My
reduced.
one chicken,
But
whether
the
it's 36
quantity has been
children or
reduced.
4 wives, the size
And
of the chicken
therefore,
has not changed.
whatever you are going to do now, you are likely not going to get it, because before, if you have 40,000, now has been reduced to 10,000. So the 30,000 has already
Malam,
gone.
we are looking at this
And
from
the
only one
10,000
side.
now-
Though we are spending too much time on this as against what we intentioned to do originally. See, you are not looking at the fact that this company will probably have come to the market to raise money. At what price? Now they are reducing the quantity of the shares, and at the end, they make, see, price in the market, because it is not, this price growth is not going to be performance induced.
But
This price is not going to, this is artificial price performance.
No.
And that is why you mentioned unity, you
No, it's
mentioned
not
CNICC.
artificial.
It's inorganic.
No, it's not artificial. Lasako did the reconstruction. Before reconstruction of Lasako was trading 20 kobo. Today, you cannot get Lasako less than 1 naira 50 kobo. So is it not better to hold your
Malam,
holding?
what
If
brought
you
about,
sold 4
what brought
at 80
about,
kobo, now
what
you
brought,
sold 1 at 1 naira 50 kobo,
What-
you have double your money.
what brought about the increase in the price of Lasako was not share reconstruction, it was improved performance.
That is what I'm telling you, that the
So
reconstruction
share
also
reconstruction does not improve turnover.
It
Does not
it
improve
improved the price.
profit after tax.
From 20 kobo to 1 naira 50 kobo is due to the share reconstruction.
No.
And what we are saying, don't sell your AXA Mansa, hold on, watch the third quarter result before you do it. Look, reconstruction or buyback is the same. Dangote Cement did the buyback. Before last year, Dangote was trading 120 naira. Since he bought
Malam,
back part of
share
it,
reconstruction
it is
and share buyback
245.
will never be the same.
But they
How
are
many
all
units
for
did,
reducing
No,
the number.
even share
Dangote
reconstruction and
buyback.
buyback will never be the
But
same.
they all reduce the
Buyback,
quantity.
they are not adjusting anything. They are
No,
only
they
buying
are.
back. They are buying back the shares. They are paying.
Any
They
stock-
buy it and they paid for it and they destroy it.
So what we are saying
That is share buyback.
it reduces the number.
It
Because if
reduces
you
the
reduce
number,
the
but
price
not
goes up.
in the case of share reconstruction that is neither here nor
No,
there.
the reconstruction and buyback, they all go the same way.
They
What
don't
we
go
are
the
saying
same way.
that
They are
the pri-
different concepts. Now, let me ask you this question. Share buyback. The company is paying. The company is paying. They are paying out certain amount, probably from their reserve. But in share reconstruction, the company is not injecting any amount.
In buyback, they are not injecting any amount. They are reducing even their cash flow. In reconstruction, they
No,
are not
now
reducing
they are
their cash
reducing
flow.
their cash flow because they are injecting money.
What we are saying, why don't they give you as dividend? Why do you buy back? Give
But
me
they
as
chose to
dividend.
buy it back because they are using it to
So
buy. In the
technically-
process of buying, the price can go up.
Technically, in
The price
buyback,
can
you
go
are
up.
reducing the working capital. But in
But they are
reconstruction, you are not
injecting
reducing
money.
anything. So reconstruction is a normal thing. Many companies have done and do well, and I believe you that
Many
I have
companies
confidence
did
that
and
after
didn't do
Mansard,
well.
price will start trading above 3 naira thereafter.
Let us wait.
Which we have
We
seen for
will
many
come
years
to
they
this
did not.
table and see how
And
much
see
is trading
how
from
much
3
is
naira to
trading.
No
2
problem.
All
and see where
right,
it's
let's
trading.
go to another issue here.
Chapel of Impactation presents Emerging a Leader and Financial Giant in the New Age. We will be having 4 keynote speakers. ADEDEJI AJADI, Finance and Management Consultant. Topic, how to develop a professional you. Olumide Adeleye, a Nigeria social entrepreneur. Topic, guides to acquiring competitive skills. ADEOLU AKINYEMI, business leader, serial entrepreneur. Topic, becoming an under 30 CEO. VINCENT ARIFALO, medical doctor. Topic, how to discover purpose early in life. Date is Saturday 25th September 2021. Time 11 a.m. prompt. Venue 95
Ibaja Agege Road.
by Shofunde Bus Stop, Agege. For enquiries, contact Wale on 0816-131-8569. Bolaji on 0903-234-2440. Don't miss this lifetime opportunity. Be there.